The idea of this video is to take you through a few of the upgrades that we've completed on our van over the last year to 18 months. It's another of our building content videos, so you'll get the joys of me walking you through the stills we took whilst we got the jobs done. But hopefully it may inspire one or two of you to get a little more adventurous with your vans. Most of these jobs are pretty simple once you've thought them through. We'll kick off with the Towbar. As the Towbar had been sitting in a box in my garage since we got the van, it was time to get it out and get it installed. I've fitted quite a few Towbars to quite a few cars and vans over the years, and I have to say this was one of the easiest to disassemble, with both the bumper and the crash bar coming off quickly and easily. Once the bumper and the bar are off, the crash bar gets thrown into the metal recycling pile, as we won't be needing that again. The bumper goes back on over the Towbar later. The next job was to test fit the Towbar and mark where an additional hole needs to be drilled. Now these fixings are clever little suckers. Remove a chassis plug, then slot these chaps in with welded nuts through the hole, and it creates its own fixing. It works absolutely brilliantly until you push too hard on the bolt when first fitting it, sending it flying into the inside of the cross member, and then have to spend 10 to 15 minutes with a magnet on a stick to get it back. One of the benefits of a new van conversion is that it's just so nice to work on such a new van that's clean and lovely underneath. We're almost fitted with the structural things now, and it looks so clean. I'm pretty sure it's not so good now. But it was really nice not to have globs of road crap falling off into my eyes while I was lying underneath it fitting all this metal work. Of course, the trouble with this being a camper over a regular panel van is that there's now a ton of insulation, which is a good thing, to move so that we can thread the cables to the electrics through. It's a pretty good job. I have little hands and arms. That's one of the rear light clusters out. It's not too difficult a job to remove the rear lights, providing your arm and socket set rotate at 270 degrees because of all the additional insulation that we've added. But hey, we get there. Now, I truly believe this is a sight to behold. My patented system to find which wire the brake signal goes down when installing the electrics without anyone to help. It may look a bit Heath Robinson, and to be honest, it is, but it works a treat. And that is everything done and tested. The bumper's back on, all the weight and homologation stickers applied, and it's all nice and legal. I'm pretty happy with the end result. It's nice and subtle and hardly noticeable, to be honest. I really am a fan of these swan neck Towbars, especially over the more traditional flange type. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to join us as we build this channel together, please do hit that subscribe button now. Make sure to turn on your notifications, and that way you'll never miss an update from us. Together, let's make this channel a community. Let's see if we can learn, grow and have fun. See you next time. Bye bye.